Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to show estimated delivery date on Shopify product page. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. To show that, what you need to do is you're going to be heading over to the search bar and search in here for estimated delivery. Search that and you will get a ton of integrations for this. You can see we have estimated delivery date or ETA, and I suggest you this one. So this is estimated delivery date plus. They do have free plans, so you can see it is going to be looking something like this. Once you incorporate onto your account, you can see free shipping to Singapore, order within next 22 hours, 21 minutes, 36 seconds for dispatch today, and you'll receive your package between August 4 and August 18th. So yeah, that's how you can easily do that. So make sure to give a try to this integration. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.